We picked up today with the cross-examination or the continuing cross-examination of the blood toxicology specialist from the Highway Patrol, who's trying to extrapolate the BAC Karen would have had at 1240 from a serum test of blood alcohol content that was done at the hospital at like 9 in the morning. There's all sorts of issues there, but at least potentially, but the cross-examination focused on the most important one, which is all of her calculations don't mean anything if Karen went home and had some drinks at John's house, which seems very possible. So they don't have any evidence she didn't do that, so the results are kind of worthless. They also then called two people. It was Ryan Nagel and his ex-girlfriend who drove to pick up Julie Nagel, but then Julie changed her mind, but they were at the house, essentially arriving immediately with, if not after, Karen Read and John O'Keefe. And they basically testified that the car parked and moved forward a little bit. They were talking to Julie. They didn't see anyone else go into the house or out of the house, but they could have missed John going in the house because they were talking to Julie. And they testified when they left that they drove right by the car, Karen's car, and saw Karen in there, but did not see John. And they both testified that it's possible John was there or was right outside the car and they missed him. And then the last person in this group to testify was Sarah Livingston, who is Jessica's friend that went there with her, and ultimately they got a ride back from Jen McCabe. She sort of corroborated that sort of logistical part of Jen's story, but she also walked out the front door at 1:30 in the morning, which would have been facing in the general direction where John's body would have been, and didn't see him. Her explanation is, well, I was looking at my feet because it was snowing out, which is at least somewhat plausible. No, nothing earth-shattering in these witnesses here. Stay tuned for my next videos where hopefully more happens.